I'm staying at this exclusive mirror house. Smartphone usage is at an all-time high, with screen times of over 10 hours a day not being unusual. As a content creator, I have to be on my devices for work, but I never put a time limit on myself, so it's time to change that. I'm going on a complete device and social media detox over the next 24 hours, staying in a remote cabin where I won't be allowed access to any screen. I'm a little bit nervous, but it's about time this happened. Mirrors everywhere, man. Welcome to my humble abode for the night. Let's check it out. This is lovely, isn't it? Look at this! What the hell, man? This is wild. So you can completely see out into the forest, but obviously no one can see in. This is a bit of me. If you've been following a while, you know this is a bit of me. We're back in the unusual accommodations. Shoes are coming off. We're not leaving this all night. Oh! Underfloor heating. So warm. It's like a little mini piece of luxury in a forest. We've got a little induction hob. This is dangerous. Oh, I'm in love, man. I could live in this. If there's an apocalypse, this is where I'm coming. Sam just asked me, where's the TV? It's a detox, mate. There's no TVs here. We're in nature.
Is that what you do? Look at yourself?
I was trying to take in the view, but I ended up just looking at myself. That's awkward. Should we open it? Look, there's one for me, one for Sam. That's cute, isn't it? We'll open our little care package. See what we've got in here. Oh, mate, I just bought sourdough.
No way.
Look at that. Oh, this is lovely. And in the morning, have my bit of breakfast. Oh, mate. I'm here for this. Hot tub outside. We haven't seen the hot tub yet. Look at the little touches. We've got a nice bit of butter for the morning. Fresh water, little carton of milk. Some Hawkston lager. It's no use to either of us, so there you go, Dad. I'll bring that home for you. So this is where we are. Absolutely middle of nowhere. Where actually are we? Because people are going to want to know where this is. It's called Mirror Houses Kirtlington, just outside of Oxford. And the makers of these mirrored cabins are Oud. I think they're Scandinavian. Please enjoy the views and walking around the lake, having a picnic or a drink on the jetty. However, it's not for swimming, so please don't be tempted. Yeah, we're not doing ice baths. We've got a wood-fired hot tub, which we're definitely going to try and get warm enough to jump in later. It's Luke at the minute, so gonna have to pull out the old narrowboat skills on this one. Gone back to the 1980s with this one, Sam. Go on.
1980s.
Get the wind blinding that. Let me get a quick. I'm gonna get one shot for Instagram, and then my phone's going away. We're having a proper detox. And look at it. It's all mirrored on the outside. All right. This is straight in with the carrot cake. Hour 1 without the phone. I could get used to this. I don't know what I'm going to do for this amount of time. I mean, it's beautiful, of course, first impression, but there's only so much looking at the trees you can do, right? We bought some board games. I've got a book with me. Hot tub sounds good. Ooh, it's actually a bit chilly out there, isn't it? Hopefully the water's warm. Wow, look at that. That looks beautiful, man. That is sick.
So the mirror's gone?
Yeah, this is actually quite weird. Now I'm just looking at the reflection, but everyone can see me sleeping in the forest. Okay. Moment of truth now. We've been topping up the logs. Ooh. Oh, it is. It's not hot, but it is warm enough. I'm getting in. Oh, we've got the LED lights. Pimp my hot tub. Let me check. Let me actually make sure there's enough logs in there. Yeah, a couple more, and mate, might be here a while. This one ain't going in, I think. Mate, I've left the wood fire open. Oh, it's freezing. Oh no. Oh, dude, I thought it was going to be warm. Oh. Oh. Wait, start it out. We'll cut that and make it look good. Ready? Oh. It's actually all right, man. It's not a hot tub. It's a warm tub, but we'll take it. Tell me when you're done, Sam. Have we got enough footage? Because I need an actual hot shower and a bit of warm food. Let's go. I think I like this little life. Oh, that's more like it. Should we crack on then, lads? Ready, steady, cook. We've got to try and find a knife. More of a bread knife, but we'll go with it. We're working on one small induction hob this evening. Not quite what we're used to, but we'll give it a go. So I've just realised we've only got one hob. So normally you have the pasta going and the sauce going at the same time. We're gonna have to boil the pasta, put it to one side, let it get cold, and then mix it all back in at the end. But this could be a test. We completely missed the turning for Sainsbury's. Not sure where we are right now. A lot of thatched roofs and a village shop, hopefully. I'm well out of my depth here. To get us through the night. I don't think they'd ever seen a camera before. We're not sure what we were up to. This very much reminds me of cooking on the narrowboat when I used to live on that. Simple, simple living. We're out in nature, mate. We'll get there. I don't know what I'm doing with this whole... It just keeps beeping. How do you like it al dente, mate? Whoppa! You reckon they can get Uber Eats out here? I think this is why they call it cabin fever, isn't it? I've only been here a few hours, but I'm starting to go a bit stir crazy. We'll have to get the board games out. Did that look nice, yeah? Cinematic. Cool. It's the only thing with a tiny house. There's no room for anything, is there? Well, bon appetit, guys. It's nothing special, but we do love a red sauce pasta. We've done the best with what we were given from, God bless Weston on the Green and their local village shop. Make sure you leave a comment below whilst you're enjoying your dinner from Weston on the Green. There you go. Activities in the area. Walking. Polo. Antique shopping. We're a long way from home, man. I think I'm well out of my depth there, aren't I? You know that feeling when you've just eaten too much food and it just hits you? Lethargic, food coma. You know what I'm talking about. It's funny because I feel like I can't sit still. You see me just keep bopping around everywhere. I feel like I never give myself the time to read or get stuck into things that I actually will just bring me back to base level. When I'm at home, so it's constant. Whereas here, you're kind of forced to switch off. Although I don't know how I'd cope. Maybe because I'm going home tomorrow. I'm savouring the moment. I don't know how I'd cope after a week in this kind of environment. You want a game of cards? But you didn't know I could do that, did you? Alright, 1-1. One more game for the decider. Although, I feel like this is the worst place to play cards because we're literally surrounded by mirrors. Literally, like, everywhere you look, you can see reflections, man. I don't trust this guy. I don't trust this guy. It's bedtime, man. Alright, team. I think we're about 12 hours into the detox. Who knew doing this much nothing could make you so tired? I'll catch you in the morning. Oh, man. They didn't get the memo that it's a detox. Every time I stay somewhere I get woken up, there's magpies. There's a magpie banging on the window. Not a bad place to wake up, though, is it? Pure silence. Apart from the magpie, pure silence and a bit of nature. Good morning, Kirtlington. Fucking freezing. Take 2. Let's get the run in. It's an emotional morning here in Kirtlington.
It's freezing.
Oh, my eyes are watering, it's so cold. Oh, it's a bit different to London, isn't it? Hopefully at home. Oh, I hope we left the heating on. That is the perfect avocado. Fresh out of the Oxford jungle. It's like being back in East London. Yeah, I wasn't sure how I'd feel. Obviously a lot of my work and stuff is on my phone. But it's been nice just to switch off, especially in the nature. I feel like in London, aside from all the hustle and bustle and the friends and stuff going on, even when I'm just chilling in my house, the mentality is to always be working and trying to get stuff done. I feel like I never fully switch off. So to come out here, it reminds you that you can put everything down for 24 hours, man. Nothing's going to change. So last hour in the retreat, Sam's got me out here throwing an American football, and I can't help but think probably would have been a bit better without Sam, you know? It would have been a bit more relaxing. Oh, mate, this is my show, get out of frame. Would have been nice to have, like, you know, a little girl, a little lady part in here. But instead I've been sharing a hot tub and a bed with a 6-foot dude. Yeah, it's been quite crazy, actually. I feel like this has been one of the first times, it's quite sad, that I've been able to slow down and just breathe and take it all in the last couple of years. It's been a hectic, manic as always roller coaster, juggling life, travels, work, London, friends, and no, I've fully enjoyed this, man. Yeah, it's been quite surreal. Like, you can even hear the birds now chirping in the background. It's been well worth the trip out of London to switch off, even just for the day. Honestly, I'd recommend you guys getting out and doing a little social media detox more often. I'm definitely going to be doing that myself. It's opened my eyes really to how much screen time we spend on phones, laptops, TVs, and this has been a little bit of serenity. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty grateful.